Hi, my name is Ernesto Yerena Montejano, and I'm an artist based out of Southern California. This piece is titled Imperial Valley COVID Memorial Mural, and it is located in Centro, California. At the beginning of the pandemic, I was asked to do an image around getting people to wear masks or honor the healthcare workers. I thought it would be a nice time to create a mural to inspire hope in the city where I come from. The first person I thought of was my soon-to-be sister-in-law, Yerena. She's a healthcare worker from the area. I reached out to one of my good friends and very amazing photographer, Arlene Mejorado, and she actually photographed Yerena, took the portraits, created the images that I then based my illustration out of. I don't normally work on murals. I'm a printmaker, I'm a painter, I'm a designer. So early on, I realized that if I'm gonna get this done, I need to have a really competent team. And so I reached out to my friend Warren Brand. His main field artist, who actually produces the murals, Josh Valencia, he was the one that went down there with me. We worked really well together. It wouldn't have been possible to do it that fast without the help of my family and my friends. The building that this mural is located on, for a while actually, for a lot of years, it was a flower shop. When me and Arlene went in there, in the flower display, most of the flower arrangements that they had ready to go were funeral arrangements. And they had one piece that was, non-funeral, it was just more of like a celebratory piece. And they actually grabbed that one and pulled it apart and created the one that's in the mural from that one. We wanted a bouquet that symbolized walking towards the light, things getting more positive, but at the same time, we wanted the bouquet to have elements of mourning. So the palm and the yellow ribbon is sort of the symbolisms of that. Now people from the community are adding the names of their family members that passed away in the Imperial Valley due to COVID. And then now it feels like it's really becoming a memorial mural. It's a heavy time, people are still recuperating mentally or even health-wise from COVID, from the pandemic. That's a privilege for a lot of us that we're able to quarantine. There's other folks that never had the luxury of being able to work from home or to be given time off. They were forced to keep working or be late on the rent or not be able to feed their families. That had a big impact, a lot of casualties. I wanted to make sure that the Valley had a place for collective healing and collective mourning, a place for folks to go and mourn, really, and gather. I hope that the mural reminds them of how hard COVID was and that getting vaccinated, wearing a mask is a way to put that behind us.